Hello everyone, today we will discuss the issue of Fukushima treated water released by Japan, a topic that has drawn global attention and debate. This issue began in 2011 after a massive earthquake and tsunami struck Japan, causing severe damage to the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant. The reactors overheated and large amounts of water were used to cool them. As a result, this water became contaminated with radioactive substance. Over time, Japan stored this water in tanks at the nuclear plant site. However, as space became limited, Japan faced a difficult decision on how to manage the growing volume of contaminated water. In 2023, Japan announced that it would begin releasing treated water into the Pacific Ocean, claiming it met international safety standards. This decision has since raised concerns, especially among neighboring countries and coastal communities.
The next part is treatment process and Japan's justification. To address safety concerns, Japan treated the contaminated water using the Advanced Liquid Processing System, also well known as ALPS. This system is designed to remove most radioactive elements from water, such as cesium and strontium. However, tritium, a radioactive form of hydrogen, remains difficult to remove. In this situation, Japan argues that tritium exists naturally in the environment and that the released water is heavily diluted to meet international safety limits. According to the Japanese government and the International Atomic Energy Agency, or IAEA, the release poses no significant risk to human health or the environment. Japan also states that releasing the water gradually into the ocean is the most practical solution compared to long-term storage, which could pose structural and safety risks in the future.
So many groups have expressed strong concern about the release of treated water. Fishermen worry about the impact on marine life and the reputations of seafood products, even if scientific studies suggest the risk is low. For coastal communities, the ocean is just not an environment. Is it a source of livelihood and cultural identity? So environmental organizations argue that the long-term effect of releasing radioactive water into the oceans are still uncertain. They believe that once released, the impact cannot reverse. Several Pacific Islands nations and neighboring countries also voiced concern, saying that the ocean is a shared global resource and decisions affecting it should involve broader international consultations. So this controversy highlights a deeper issue, such as the balance between scientific data and public trust.
The Fukushima treated water release raises important questions about international responsibility and transparency. While science plays a crucial role in decision-making, governments also consider public perception, regional cooperation, and ethical responsibility. Environmental issues do not stop at national borders, and action taken by one country can affect many others. The situation reminds us of what's importance of clear communication, independent monitoring, and global cooperation when dealing with sensitive environmental challenges. In conclusion, the release of Fukushima treated water is not just a technical issue, it is a global concern involving science, trust, and shared responsibility for our ocean. Understanding different perspectives allows us to think more critically about how environmental decisions should be made in the future.